how to fix beauty filter not working on TikTok. So if you try to use your beauty filter, here on the upper right or the right side you will have beauty filters, right? Tap on beauty, and if you're trying to use your beauty filter and if it's not working, then what you can do is simply go back, and here you need to simply tap and hold on to your TikTok, and once you've remove that, you need to tap and hold on to your TikTok application, and here you can go for app info, and under app info you need to choose storage and cache, and then you can simply go for clear cache, and you need to clear all of the cache. Once you've done that, you need to open up your Play Store, and then you can go for the search bar and search for TikTok. Once you've searched, here you may have an update option, because if you have an update option, then you might be facing some kind of problems. So you need to simply tap on update and update your application, and once you've updated, your problems will be fixed. But even after updating, if your problem still doesn't fix, then you need to simply uninstall your application, and once you uninstall your application, you need to again install it from your Play Store or your App Store, and after installing you can log back into your account and you can use your beauty filter. So once you've done all of these settings, like once you've cleared your cache, once you've updated, or once you've uninstalled, you need to restart your device, because without restarting, any of these settings won't apply. So you need to simply restart your device once you've done all of the settings, and once you restart your device, you can simply go back to your TikTok and now your problem will be fixed. So that's it. That's how you fix your beauty filter not working on TikTok. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.